Hi, would you like to trace time of production activities for improve efficiency of your company? Would you like to have an overview in real time of all orders in production? With Archimede app, you can achieve this important goal in easy and fast way. First of all, every operator of your company can have his Archimede app. Every day, each operator see on his mobile list of job to do. Operator have to follow a job list. When a piece, structure or project is just a parameter of what you need to count in each production stage is done, Archimede save the time for it, then it start with the next. In real time, each operator is sending data to main server and production is completely under control. You know time necessary for every stage of production, operator, element, order. You know quantity of element made from your operator in every stage. You know quantity of elements that your operators need to make. Of course, Archimede apps is not only for operators. With Archimede app, you can check your production when you need, when you want, and also if you are out of your company. Archimede app and all ERP features should be installed in every modern joinery. It is true in a big joinery, where every single detailed parameter must be calculated in fast and precise way, so each part can work in synchronized way for keep costs under control and improve your profit. It is true also in little joinery, where with more raw parameter you can discover bottleneck and step by step make always better. Because as you know, power is nothing without the control.